Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Demi. I am coming to you today with a little quick makeup tutorial slash wig install. I'm going to be installing the damn it, I took out the package. I'm just obsessed with it. Like this is gonna be the first one I have to install. I'm going to be installing the 613 butter lace unit. Unit number 2 is what it's called. It doesn't have a name like that other one, like the Selena one. It's literally a number. So this is it, the butter unit 2, number 613. This is what this is what it looks like. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and apply the wig. My infallible powder. Load up my brush and put it on the lace. Okay, then I'm just gonna hold this stuff back just a little back, like so. And this unit has combs, 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 in the front. And I'm just tucking it underneath my cap. And then ever so lightly tug it, pull it back so it's not too big right here. Now this little, let me see. Let me just pull it back a bit. Some spray. This is just the guide we, bolt, yeah. Got to be is no joke, so we're gonna work kind of quickly here. Oops, okay. Like it, I don't know. This stuff is crazy. Let it dry just a tad bit, not too much, just a little. And really pull it. Pull it so it's sitting on the hairline. And then we're gonna comb everything back. This unit is so bomb, like it's so pretty. And it's not like that ugly highlighter yellow, but it's a good yellow. I'd rather it be like a platinum yellow, but I could just bleach it that. I mean, not bleach it. I could just do like a little co-wash with purple shampoo or whatever and make that happen. So it's not that serious, but you could do that if you want. And just okay. You want to really press it. Okay, so gonna let this sit for a few seconds. Not a few seconds, but let it sit, and then I'm just cutting the lace right here in a few sections. That's good enough. Then I'll cut across. Okay, so next, just going to do my makeup really quickly. Oops. Going in with a little bit of lineage. I think it's called lineage. It's the strawberry one. And just kind of get rid of any debris, not debris, any excess gel, not gel. What is wrong with me? Any excess bold hole spray, because I feel it on my face hardening, and we're not a fan of that. So let's just try to take that off. This towel is clean. It just looks like this because it's stained really badly. Okay, so I think we're good, right? Are we good? A little sticky still, which is great for the hairline, but not for my face. Anywho, I am going to go in with my, I haven't used my e.l.f. putty primers in a while, so I'm gonna go in with the matte one, and then I'm gonna go in with the matte oil control primer one. I'm gonna take my P. Louise brush, right? Yeah, P. Louise 7071 devoted to my base. And I'm just gonna clean up my brow really quickly. And I need to clean up my brows too, so don't come for me. I'm having a moment right now. Alright. This brow has the arch I want. I don't know what the hell happened to this one. Anywho, we're going to just clean it up rather quickly. And same thing to this side. I mean, because you're not going to see my brows too much because of the little wings on the wig, so it doesn't really matter, but I want my brows there. So, ooh, that ended up being really cute though. I'm gonna take my Honey Love Beauty palette, which you can get from honeylovebeautybar.com. Be sure to check us out. The link will be in the description box below, baby. Anyway, I am going to take a wide fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go dip into honeyed, and I'm just gonna dust this all over the eye. This is a perfect transition shade. This is a perfect all over eyeshadow for a simple look. It's absolutely amazing. The color is so pretty, and it's super buildable, and it looks great on all skin tones. So we're just going to build it, and we're going to do like a soft glam effect, if you will. And I'm going to take the deep chocolate brown color, which is called Bronze Goddess, and we're going to put this on the outer portions of the eye. Okay. And I want it dramatic, but not too dramatic, you know what I mean. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the P. Louise palette. Welcome to, what is this? Vacation palette. So I'm gonna drag that color all over the lid into the brow, just ever so lightly. And then I'm going to take this color called Pina Colada, and I'm going to dip into Sun Soaked, and we're going to just tap that on the edges like so. Then we're going to go in with my Booze palette, Glam Gloss Beauty, the Renaissance palette, the dark Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take these shades up here, and I'm just going to deposit those in the inner corner and in the 1/3 of the eye area. Now we want this to be a visible eye look, but we want it to be soft too. I don't want to be doing too much with this hair. However, you can do too much if that's your vibe, you know, it is what it is, but I'm just trying to do a subtle, soft, simple, easy peasy, easy breezy, beautiful cover, easy breezy makeup look, you know. And then we're gonna go in with the more lighter shades in this inner corner portion and kind of blow those out a bit, like so, and then kind of diffuse that. Then we're gonna just tap off any excess, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of these darker shades here and kind of tap it on the outer portion and kind of go right up on almost like a guideline right above that white, and kind of just blend that ever so lightly. Don't make it too harsh, but blend that sucker. So now that we're done with that, we're pretty much done with the eye, I want to say. I'm gonna go ahead and do I purchased the One Size Beauty setting spray. I'm super duper excited to try this. This is going in my kit. However, they say that the the Revolution makeup setting spray is like a dupe for this. We'll see. I'll try that too, but this I know to be true. So we'll try it and we'll see what happens, but that's 9 out of 10 going in my makeup kit. And then it came with a little free gift, which is their mascara, so I'll be using that with my little makeup look. But I'm going again with the mascara with my makeup look, but I'm trying to determine if I want to do a eyeshadow wing or if I want to do a I think I'm gonna do an eyeshadow wing situation. So I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place because they have the more of a deep darker brown and it's a little bit more and I'm gonna take that and run it along the lash line. Because I've never used eyeshadow as a liner before. I know it looks beautiful, but I like my wing liner to be wing lining, you know what I'm saying? But let's see. I don't know if my lashes are growing or they just having a moment, but they all over the place right now. I mean, oops, got stuff on my dress. See, should have waited to get dressed. And then it's easier to do that like little inner corner point or little inner corner dagger or wing, if you will, with eyeshadow because it's not messy. And it's somewhat of a simple cleanup. But let's see. Ooh, y'all see that? Okay. Hold on. So freaking pretty. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that was it. That was it. So pretty, so simple and easy. So we're gonna go in with the One Size Fit All. I think it's called Fantasize Mascara. Fantasize Mascara. And I'm just taking a little bit. I don't know if I want to wear my natural lashes or if I'm gonna do a lash. I don't know. I like this wand. This wand is really nice. It separates the lashes very well. Look at that. Damn. Okay, next I'm gonna go on with the Collab foundation, and I'm in shade Caramel 8. So one. Go in with my foundation brush by Honey Love Beauty Bar. The link is gonna be in the description box below. And this, oh my god, I love this foundation brush. Not because it's mine, but it's just really nice. It doesn't take away the product. It's very dense but still very fluffy at the same time, and that foundation is on there, honey. That foundation ain't going nowhere. Very beautiful. And then I don't have to worry about disturbing my hairline or my brows. You'll see. I think I've got some blonde hair on me. Look at that. And look how fast that application was. This brush, you need it in your life. Look at it. It's the perfect density. It's the perfect angle to get right in the crevices of the face, of the nose area, right up under the eye. If you want to apply concealer with it, you can do so. And then, like I said, so you won't disturb your brows or your edges. This is perfect. I love this brush. Amazing. Again, at honeylovebeautybar.com. Link is in the description box below. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my beauty blender sponge, again from honeylovebeautybar.com. I love this sponge because it helps you get really precise in those areas, and it doesn't like spread the concealer out all the way. It helps you put it where you want it, and it doesn't disturb the product underneath, and it does not pick up too much product where it's just removing what you just put down, you know. with an oldie but goodie, Makeup Revolution Luxury Setting Powder in Banana. I'm gonna go with the Roxy palette today and just kind of do a mixture, oops, and then Okay, so this is what it's given and we love it. No? Okay, so this is the final look. This is what we came up with this unit. I absolutely love it. Sprayed a little dry shampoo on it and it's really, really cute. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video. I'll let you guys know how this wears throughout the day. And yeah.